Hello friends, today in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to take a backup of your Wix website. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So first of all, open your site dashboard and scroll down and click on Content Manager. And now click on More Actions, and here you will find this option Backup. So click on Backups. And now click on Create Backup. And here we can see I have successfully created a backup here. And if you want to delete the backup file, you can do it from here, or you can restore the backup file by clicking on Restore. So this was how we can take a backup of Wix website. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.